Hey guys, and welcome to Shay'S Stocks. It's another video. I know I said I wouldn't post for a little while, but just a quick one. It's day 37, video 25, and the market tanked a little bit today because I think inflation rates came out and, I said they've probably been fudging the figures. And now that the government's falling out with the finance guys, and the finance guys are falling out with the government, I think they released some real figures. And it just caused a few stocks to tank, and I've been watching some closely. I've got a watch list of 50. Adobe tanked, Meta tanked, and I was interested in both, but Adobe sort of has a habit of going down, up and down lower, which I don't want. Meta, it's over 600 a share, so it has to go up a lot in order to make any sort of real money. So I was only gonna sell up on SoFi and Nvidia if something I really wanted to come into our price range came into our price range, and that did happen today. So I've been watching Take-Two Interactive Software since day one. Now, the lowest it's been in 2.5 months is 240, I think. Like, it's gone up and it's gone down, but it generally goes sideways and up. It's one of those, They make money from mobile games, they make money from the Grand Theft Auto series, BioShock's coming out, they've got other big titles, but they're huge. And it's a blue chip company, and it's going to continue to do well. And it's one of those that if it keeps going up, I get that cushion I want, because the problem is with SoFi and Nvidia, despite doing really well, they're not going up, and I'm not getting that cushion. Any market correction is going to just put us in a negative, and then we'll be playing catch up, which is not what I want to happen. So Take-Two Interactive Software has a habit of going up, and that's what I want. It's going to build that cushion, so I've moved the money, Nvidia's gone. Hopefully this will be the last change, but you never know. I'm going to watch the markets and see how things move, and if things drop into my price range, I'm going to show an interest in them. So SoFi's gone as well, and I put the whole 1600 into Take-Two Interactive Software. The reason being, they're going to in February, they're going to have the finances out. Should be an uptick. It might not be, but it generally does uptick. They make a lot of money. So get that little cushion then. As the year goes on, by November, GTA will come out. Sales will be incredible, record-breaking sales. Not only will they have the game out then, make huge amounts of money, but then the online side of things with the ongoing sales will be through the roof. And I just think, $247 now, it's not cheap. It took quite a lot for me to sort of dive in for that, because it's going to have to go up to 300 plus to do really well. But I do think it could go 300 plus, this side of GTA being released. If not, then definitely when GTA comes out, it's hitting 300 plus, and then it's going to continue to climb, go sideways and up, along with the money that they make. So that's what's happened today. Everything else we keep, Novo's capped, and Ondas is doing well. That's $14 plus now. It went down for a little bit to just sub 13, but I wasn't worried or tempted to get rid, because it's all profit. 400 quid to the good, give or take. So Ondas is doing really well, and the two quantum computer stocks are doing reasonably well at 30 odd quid each profit. So, we are nowhere near worrying about having to sell, but I know I keep saying it each time. We're getting the stocks. We're not going to sit on our hands. We're not going to, jump when this, that, and the other happens. But like I say, if something comes into our price range that hasn't been this whole time I've been watching, it makes me want to make a move. So we got in at 247 or 245. 245 we got in, which is really good. I think it's only $5 more than it's been the whole time, like the lowest it's been. So it's a really good bracket. And I think straight after market closed, it went up to 247. So we made like 16 quid straight off the bat. I think we had about 15 quid profit from SoFi, and we had about 20 quid profit from Nvidia when we sold. So, it's a good move, really. Obviously, if Nvidia and SoFi explode, I'll be there going, oh, mate, maybe we shouldn't. But it's a really exciting placeholder that should continue to make money and not risk too much of it. And that's what I wanted at the end of the day. I didn't want up and down and up and down. So that's it, guys. I'm not going to bang on anymore. quick 5-minute video, just to let you know that there has been a big change, and we are now very interested in Take-Two Interactive Software. We wanted to move up. We want lots of news on GTA 6, lots of leaks, lots of promo videos, because each one of those causes a little spark, a little boost, a little, keeps the interest going. But even without that, keep an eye out for BioShock in 2026 and a couple of other big titles coming out. So yeah, I think this is one we can safely sit on, get that little cushion so that I can stop stressing about market corrections, and then just look forward to it going and having a massive boost when GTA 6 comes. I know it's not till November, but what a rush, Get that cushion and I can happily wait till November for this massive game release. It's going to break all records, and we'll get to profit from that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching Shay'S Stocks. I will be back again. I'd like to say in a month or two, but it could be a day or two. But I will keep telling you when things change. It's your money as well as mine, and we are equally invested and interested. So, bye for now, guys. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.